I'm Jonathan from Rupert Neve Designs, and I'm going to show you how to set up and use your new 535 500 series diode bridge compressor. Remember that all 500 series modules require a separate 500 series rack and power supply. Today, we're going to be using the Rupert Neve Designs R6. You will need some cables. Depending on the rack and the outboard gear you have, you will need either DB25 cables, XLR cables, or 1/4 inch TRS cables. For this example, we're going to use XLR cables. The first thing you want to do is feed some signal into the line input of the 535 compressor. Now, take another XLR cable from the output of the 535 and take that over either to some other outboard gear, a mixer, or straight into your interface. Remember to make sure that you're using the right slot and the right input and output on the back of your rack. After you do that, it's time to power the rack. You'll see the blue LED light up on the 535 when you power it. Now it's time for some sound. First off, engage the compressor. We have the threshold set all the way up, we have the ratio set at 2/1, we have the timing set on medium, and we have the blend control all the way up at 100%. You want to make sure you're hitting the 535 pretty hard from your mic pre, from your interface, or from another piece of outboard gear. The reason that you want to do that is once you start hitting the 535 with between +14 to +18 dBm on the input side, it starts kicking out low frequency harmonics. These low frequency harmonics are what provides the sense of bigness or weight that Rupert Neve diode bridge compressors are so famous for. The timing control affects the attack and release of the diode bridge compressor. Typical settings are medium, medium fast, or medium slow. If you engage the fast switch, it doubles both the attack time and the release time. Experiment with the blend control to bring back a little bit of the original source material's dynamics. This is generally called parallel compression and sounds great on drums, percussion, guitars, and vocals. Start with the red gain control at 0 dB, but experiment with adding more or less level to make up for the amount of compression you're using or to set the right level for the next piece of gear in your chain. If you want to make sure low frequencies aren't dominating the amount of compression you're receiving, engage the sidechain high-pass filter. This doesn't cut away any low frequencies from the actual signal chain, but it does make sure that low frequencies aren't triggering as much compression. Now it's time to record with your new 535 diode bridge compressor. If you want to learn about some of the other cool gear we make or have any questions, please go to rupertneve.com.